Hello guys, let's unbox new arrival guys. Let's see what we have here. So I ordered this thing yesterday, it just arrived today. Just a day, it just arrived today. So quick and fast. It's African food though. Let's check it out guys. Let's box it together. It's box it time. Let's see what is inside though. But the thing dey small for my eye. Make I see wetin dey inside first. This one when e just small like this, so I no understand though. Everything just dey there. Everything just dey there. Everything dey there nowadays. Oh, see the kind of person. Na so you reach. Well, maybe we will check am because will not be too much things I buy. Not be too much things. This thing wey dey here, so both the shipping and the buy is you see. Not be the egusi when I order for. Not be they can't give me. Oh. Not be I dey see at all. I order, say make they give me hand break egusi. This one not be hand break egusi now. This one not be hand break egusi. And a rubber pent. This one reach rubber pent. This egusi reach rubber pent. No, I don't just like the egusi at all. I don't like her. Not the lie, I don't like her. See, egusi. This one that they say so 119 euro. He put this one as a regalo. Thank you, but this egusi I don't like her. I don't just like her. I just discourage. And rubber pencil. Now because of this kind of egusi, like make me go call her say because the first time when I follow and buy, the egusi they fine and handbrake, but this one not be egusi. This egusi when carry can't give me dirty. You don't say for her. Don't they get all those hope for inside? Don't you like them? See ogbolo not get ogbolo is okay because even if you dirty, you feel wash and ogbolo is okay. Then see this one. I do sacrifice for this one. This one I have rubber ogbolo. See this rubber pet of this. See as rubber pet small. Now so rubber pet called the small. See how the thing small. Rubber pet full rubber pet of this. Now even this one. Then the first one is going to give me many parts. See this one, full rubber pent of this. That's what rubber pent cost small. See, these three things one I just see so. For Nigerian money now, how much it can be 100 euro, almost 200,000. 200,000 now this one, 200,000 one and this is 190 euro, this for 200,000 for Nigeria. Which kind of thing be this one? I dey discourage you. Waiting and see, I not be waiting and order for. I like, but the ogbolo, I like the ogbolo. I like the ogbolo. Yes. The beans fine, but I don't know if whether this one reach rubber paint. I wish I get rubber paint for me sure because it's too small for my eye. Too small now. Okay guys, this is what I got. This is what I ordered versus what I got. Why I order? Because I first follow the woman order. Come order this one. Whether the woman there has or not there has, I don't know. I'm not sure whether it's there has. Maybe my people send this one for me. Guys, share this video. Love you all. Share the video.